This is for balance, so just do your best to not touch down every time. If you have to keep touching down, you'll see what I mean, then you do. But if you don't, it works better for you if you don't touch the opposite foot down. So it looks like this. And then for the front, it looks like this. Oh. But this is touching down like that. And you do it with the other foot. Now this is what you'll do if you have the kettlebell. Same hand as the leg that you're standing on. And then from the front, I look at a spot on the floor and I keep trying to hit the same spot. Good. You kill it, right?